transfer of sensitive biological materials has literally evolved over thousands of years. Cells, plasma, proteins, microscopic organisms that hold the keys to life itself. These fluids must be transferred carefully without disturbing the delicate life-sustaining balance within the organism. Historically, the only way to pump such sensitive biologic materials was a creation of nature, not man. The human heart, perhaps, is the only good model for perfect biological transfer. Until now. The pumping action created by the unique Quattroflow Quaternary Diaphragm technology is based on the operation of the human heart. This method of conveyance eliminates the natural enemies of biological material transfer. There is minimal friction, shearing, or temperature increase. Shear-sensitive products are gently moved through the chamber safely. Here, you can see how the Quattroflow pump creates a gentle circular movement for each of the diaphragms. As each diaphragm expands, it gently pushes fluid through the valve, which acts like a heart valve. Fluid only goes one way. Then, as the diaphragms contract, they gently pull fresh material from the inlet. In fact, this is superior to a human heart because there is low pulsation with a high turn-down ratio. No other pump technology can provide the care, the sensitivity, the protection required of biologics in biopharmaceutical manufacturing applications. Literally the heart of your system, Quattroflow Quaternary Diaphragm Pumps, enabling your process. Also available with single-use liquid chambers for fast production when speed to market is of critical importance.